Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna do a Korean inspired makeup tutorial, and my model for today is my daughter Sashi. This type of tutorial is not the dramatic Korean K-pop eye makeup. It's just the everyday natural makeup that you could wear on daylight. So if you wanna learn, just keep on watching. Bye!
As always, we need to start with a clean face. Here I'm using a makeup wipe to remove the excess oils and dirt from her face. If you don't have any makeup wipes, just use regular wet tissue. Never ever forget to apply sunblock on your face. You know, nowadays the sun is not that friendly. You really need that extra protection from it. I'm using an SPF of 50, and I will just be using my fingers to blend it all over her face. I'm using MAC's Paint Pot as an eyeshadow base. This will also serve as our eyeshadow primer to make the eyeshadow look more opaque and last longer. I'm using my fingers here to apply it all over her lids. Definitely a very simple eye makeup here, since I'm just using one eyeshadow. You could easily recreate this on yourself. Using my ring finger, since this is the most weakest finger, I'm patting it first and then blending it all over the lids. I don't want this to be too harsh, so I'm gonna be using a deep brown waterproof eyeliner pencil. Just a simple line across the eye from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm not gonna be winging it out since we are not for a cat eye look. Just a simple line across, just giving that illusion of a puppy round eyes like the Korean has. Then with a smudger, I'm gonna blend it more to make it more softer looking. Then repeat it to the other eye. Just remember that don't forget to blend because we don't want any harshness here. To add more definition, I will be applying a liquid eyeliner closest to the lash line. This will also give the illusion of a more thicker eyelashes. I love this technique. See, the eyeliner is not winged out. Instead, it gives her eyes a droopy eye effect. My favorite mascara at the moment, the Dolwing Long Mascara. This makes your eyelashes super long like nobody's business, girl. What I love about this mascara is it can easily be removed by warm water. What I don't like with most of the waterproof mascara is they make my eyelashes crispy, and this mascara doesn't do that. And also, I don't like the struggle of removing my waterproof mascara at the end of the night after all those long days of makeup. To make the eyes look brighter and pop more, I'm gonna be adding a metallic beige waterproof cream eyeshadow like the Maybelline Color Tattoo or the Maybelline Color Ink. Applying it near the lower lash line and blending it out for a more softer look. As always, we don't want any harshness here. Now I'm cleaning the fallouts near the eyes because we don't want that glitter all over our face later on. Not a good look. Since my daughter is still very young, I'm gonna be using a BB cream on her, since a BB cream is milder and more forgiving than a foundation. I'm using the Expert Face Brush, making sure that everything is well blended. Don't forget the neck and the hairline areas. Another favorite of mine, heated eyelash curler, perfect for children in curling their eyelashes, since children really don't like the sight of a regular eyelash curler.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea,
Applying some lip balm to prepare the lips later on for lip gloss.
if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see,
Don't you think my daughter looks so cute here? She looks like when she was just still 5 years old. Eyelashes, just like your cell phones. I think everybody agrees with me. You're never complete when you don't have your cell phone. Just like lashes, makeup is never complete without putting on those flirty, sexy lashes.
I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're
Giving her a light testing of powder onto her face just to remove the shine and also to keep her BB cream stay put all day long.
like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count.
I'm using a pink blush and applying it on the apples of her cheeks to give her a brighter, youthful looking skin.
I'm supposed to do all yeah.
Simply brushing her brows and lightly filling it later, maintaining that no arch look like the ever so popular straight Korean eyebrows.
I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there.
By using a regular eyelash curler, this is gonna be a perfect trick in making your false lashes look like your own lashes.
You can count on me 'cause I can count.
Notice here my daughter pushes away my hand. She really doesn't like the regular eyelash curler.
Easy come, easy go. That's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss.
Really enjoying watching herself making faces on the monitor.
Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash.
And for the finale, I'm gonna be putting on a soft baby pink lip gloss that smells like candy.
'Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade for you. From your head on a blade for you. I jump in front of a tree for you. You know I'd do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you.
our makeup look. I hope to see you soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bad woman, that's just what you are. Yeah, you're small in my face, then rip the brakes out my car. Gave you all